welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will go through 3 ways to pack stress-free. For more packing tips and more videos on minimalism, anxiety, etc., subscribe to my channel and hit the bell to be notified when I post a new video every Friday. So packing is stressful, but it doesn't have to be. In this video, I'm going to give you 3 tips that will help you be stress-free when packing for your next trip. So tip number 1, plan ahead. The biggest area to plan ahead is laundry. There's nothing more stressful than leaving in 12 hours before you leave and you're still doing laundry. This helps you think days, if not weeks in advance. Tip number 2, get real with the expectations of checking bags. You don't always have to check bags on flights, but when you do, make sure you are prepared for getting it lost. Only pack things in your checked bags that you are okay with living without. If you can't, don't put it in the bag. And also, I didn't put my cat in the bag, just in case you were wondering. Tip number 3, this one is important. Be realistic. I know this is an exaggeration, and I know being on vacation is very glamorous and the fact that you have all this free time, but that's not why you are going on vacation. It isn't to do all the things you don't do at home. Vacation is not the time to do all the work on all the projects that you haven't had time for. Vacation is not the time for doing all the face masks in the world. It just won't happen. Vacation is not the time to write your first novel. And it also is not the time to try on everything and make vacation a test run. That's not why you're there. If you like this video, please let me know by liking it below, subscribing, and commenting. Let me know what tips you guys have for packing, and I hope you guys have a great day. Bye! Oh no, the video's over. If you guys want to see other videos, click here, This is a great video, just saying. Not biased or anything, but that one, you won't be disappointed. Oh, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.